Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is the honeybee hive. I was searching for the fruits in my tree. Got to this place with lots and lots of effort, and I found it. Wonderful, isn't it? Should I take this home or should I leave it here itself for the bees to come and have yet another cycle of production of the younger bees and to store the honey as well. Oh, I took a lot of risk to reach this place, though I am so happy to see this. Isn't it wonderful? Reachable. See, it is reachable to me from the ground level. Wow. Lovely. Lovely experience.